guys, so my name's Aiden and today we are going to make some slime, and here's how you make it. You need glue, baking soda, if you have these ingredients, and contacts, and cans, and these. And I made a bunch of slimes already. I made 7 right now. So first up, let's set this aside. We are going to use this when the slime is done, and I already made a purple, so let's just get on to the video. So let's open this up, and I'm picking purple for this one, and these are the hardest ones. And this might take up this whole video, and I'm gonna post this on TikTok. So can we get a couple hearts, please? Thanks if you did. You don't have to like this video. It was just my choice for saying that. So let's start it. I filled it up. I love this one. There. I'm just looking at this one. Okay, now we are going to put baking soda. This is a lot, guys. Ugh. I feel like I'm tasting it. And here it is. It looks so gross, but it will turn out really pretty now. Oh my god. Okay, now to add, you have to put a couple drops of contact solution, and I'm going to make another video if you can't hear me. Okay, let's add some drops. And see it, it's getting like, oh my god. Oh yeah, and I got a new Fitbit, and you have to roll your hands up for this. I just forgot all that steps. I think that's too much. I love making slime. It feels so weird right now, guys. It feels so weird. And if you want to, I'm going to be selling some slime. I'm going to sell slime, and if you do, it's $2. But I'm not making my store today. And the slime video is not done, only until the slime is finished. So I have to keep on kneading it. And I'll keep on adding probably half of the baking soda and a lot of contacts. And I'll make slime, probably like the purple one that I just made. I can't show you right now. Oh my god, it's dripping. It's dripping! Oh no. Guys, there's some green in it. I'm still naming it. Now we are going to set this aside since I feel like it is finished. So we're going to get the other pieces that are inside here. So let's put the baking soda in here. Now I'm going to mix it. I think you're crazy. Moleque, brother. Guys, and the slime is finished. I finally felt it together. And it's still kind of sticky, but it feels so good. And we are gonna see these glues. These are the ones that I used before this video. and there's a lot. I can't even put it back. And this is how you make slime for today's video. And that is my video for today. And I'm going to post this on my YouTube channel. And subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and thumbs up the video on my channel. But if you can't find it, it's still Rebels. And yeah. So you guys have a great day. I can't post this whole thing together. So I need to... We can make another video if we can today. Bye, guys. Can you pause it? Pause it. I'm down here by myself. Okay. And I can't stop playing with this. Fine, we can play with it for a little bit and then I'll say goodbye. And if you couldn't hear my voice for this video today, then that's okay. I can't believe I made slime by myself because I needed help. It looked like I needed help, but it feels so good, guys. And if you're up to 9 years old, you cannot buy this stuff. I'm joking. You can. But I am serious. So you guys have a good and a great... What am I trying to say? I don't know what I'm trying to say right here, guys. I'm making something for you guys. Yay, Ariana! Bye, guys.